Alright, hello everybody. Here we are going to present you about 316L stainless steel pipe welding. The way you want to prep for stainless steel is the way that I will show you right here. What you would need to do first is get a clean rag, make sure it's clean, there's nothing on it, there's no oil, any preservatives that were on it before. After that, you will need to get some acetone. Now acetone, what it does, it will clean anything that's on top of the base plate itself. So you put a little bit of acetone in here. You want to be careful with acetone, because it will eat up your fingers. Not that much, but yes. What you want to do is just clean where the weld is going to go. So the weld is going to go all around here, around this pipe, same as the top of here, and the top of this top plate. So what you're gonna do is just clean right here. Make sure it's all clean. You can just run it over. Like I said, you just wanna make sure that where you're gonna put the weld is clean enough so there's no contamination or anything on the weld itself. You're gonna run it up in here. Now, as you see, I marked it on here for a reason, so I can show you guys what stainless steel does. To a marker on here that you can't take off by your finger. You just run it across, it takes that color out. As you see, the pipe is now green, but I'm not worried about it because you run it around, you take it off, pipe's not green anymore. Then I want to get this part also over here too, just to make sure that everything's clean. Now before prepping, you want to make sure that you have the right nozzle. Okay, here, right here is your nozzle. This comes off just like this. This is your nozzle, and here's your contact tip. Want to make sure that your contact tip is clean. Want to make sure there's nothing inside of the contact tip because it will give you problems while you're welding. Put this back on here. Another thing you want to make sure too before prepping, you have the right equipment, such as the right equipment as a chip and hammer, your gloves, and your welding helmet. Now, the wire that we're going to be using for stainless steel is, as you can see on here, certified by AWS 316L wire. It's 0.45 diameter. You come over here, I'll show you. These are the main settings I will be using for the vertical up, such as putting a weld on there. You can change it. This is our dual welder, and here is our wire over here. Like I said, it's very critical to use the right wire and the right material. Another thing, you want to use the right compressed air gas for the right material as well. 75% argon, 25% carbon dioxide. Another thing as well, you want to make sure that you have the right CFH, which is the meter of the gas flow that you're giving through the wire as you're welding. The biggest thing here is that you want to have the right flow of the gas for stainless steel. It's critical, trust me, it will be, because as you see, as I purge it, right now it's at 45, but you want to go down to 40. As you see, it's right here. That's at 40. That's perfect. That's where you want it. You want to make sure that your welder is running right. You want to make sure that everything on your welder is the same way that you left it as before the night before, such as putting it back in its spot, cleaning it, make sure there's no dust, clean all the dust off, because it'll save the life on the welder itself, and it will make you look like a better person because you're cleaning everything. Right here is our fume extractor. The reason we have a fume extractor because this is our ventilation that we have for the fumes of the flux core itself. Now this fume extractor, it's very nice. I like it. Works great. I have no problems with it. I really can't even smell when I'm welding. I can't smell the chromium and the steel itself as I'm welding, which is the good thing about this fume extractor. Now another thing right here, this is we call it a V-block. The reason it's called a V-block, it's used for any size of round pipe. Put it on there, stays on there. Such as if you're gonna be welding on here, You can just rest it on there, weld. Now, the way that I would weld this pipe myself, I would do it quarterly. The reason I would do that, the piece won't get too hot. At the same time, I don't have to come all the way down here and weld it on top, so I can do it quarterly. Now in here, we'll be putting a 5/16 pass. It was a quarter originally, but we'll be going with the 5/16.